Today we're doing something very different because I need to get rid of a lot of paints. I'm going to be moving hopefully to a better creative space, and I can't take my paints with me because I am moving across the country. So I am going to be doing a series of videos just emptying out all of my paints. So if you've ever wondered what would it be like if I just take a whole bunch of paints and squeeze them on my canvas, wouldn't that be fun? Why do I have to think so hard? Well, today we're not going to be thinking very hard at all. We're just going to be doing a lot of cleaning out of paints and squeezing onto our canvas, and we're going to see what we have. So join me as we do a chaos squeeze today. For the first painting, I have chosen a few paints that are a little bit at least coordinated just to do my squeeze. And what I'm going to do is use some things that I've used in the past to squeeze over the top of. I'm going to be using some familiar tools you may have seen me use in the past. I haven't packed these up yet, and I'm going to use these to help create a little more chaos in my chaos pour. So before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and pour a little bit of a base down. I have a little bit of pre-mixed paint here. It was never my favorite. I won't show you the brand. So I'm just going to use that down as a little bit of a base for some of these pieces that I have here. I'll just put a little bit down here. This is a luster white. Okay, I have to get rid of this, so let's use it up. Okay, let's just thin this out a little bit. You can see how thick this is. Oh, it is. Okay. Yeah, there we go. There's going to be no rhyme or reason today other than using up some paints. I'm going to put this one right here. I'm going to put this one right here, and I'm going to put this one right here. Now we're just going to start some pouring. Let's just have at it. I'm going to put on some music, and you can watch the chaos begin. And yes, I am going to have to pull some crud out of this paint. This paint has sat around for a long time, but I just did not have the heart to get rid of it. Let's get back to it. Let's count the number of bottles that I can empty. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if that counts or not. 4. Let's add a little more pink. 5. Hold on to that one. Yeah. Six. 7, 7. 8. Let's add a little bit of yellow here. 9. And let's look at this little tiny one. 10. And some purple. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's remove these. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, let's also remove this one. Cool. Okay. So now let's do just a little bit of tilting. Let's give this a good torch. Let this to continue to develop, and then I will show you what it looks like, because we've used Liquitex pouring medium and Floetrol and different thicknesses. We're getting all kinds of different reactions, and we're seeing lots of little purple kind of pearls pop up through there, probably because we've got some pearl paints in there as well, and metallics. So I'm going to show you what we end up with after our freeing chaos pour. This is going to make a fantastic background for something that I am doing, and I love all the lovely colors. And here's the dry result. Let me know what you think. The chaos was a lot of fun, so you have to try just being free with your pouring. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later. Check out these videos.